Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. In our gospel reading today, it talks about our disposition to prayer. Jesus says, "Ask and it will be given, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be opened." But we have to look at in a way that whenever we ask, whenever we seek, and whenever we knock, we just don't ask for anything. We just don't seek for anything. There are three levels, three things that we would consider in asking, in seeking, and knocking. Number one, the first level is we ask what will make us happy. Of course, we ask the Lord for good health that will make us happy. We ask the Lord for good relationship that will make us happy. We also ask for the intentions for our family, our friends, that will make us happy. So that is the first level. We ask something from the Lord that will make me happy. However, we go to a higher level. The higher level and the second level is we ask that will bring us closer to other people. Because there are things that we ask that will make us happy, but it will not make other people happy. Ikaw ray nalipay, pero ang uban wala. There are things that we ask that will make us happy, but it will bring us away from other people. Will make us proud. Usahay makaaway, makaguba. Maybe it will make us happy kung mga itos Ginoo usahay kani uban, they will ask, "Lord, may tag magabaan na akong silingan." Malipay ta magabaan, pero of course dili man ay hatag sa Ginoo. But the second level is we ask that will bring us closer to other people. However, the third level is the most important of all, is that we ask that will bring us closer to God. We ask that will bring us closer to heaven. There are things that will make us happy, but it will not bring us to heaven. There are things that we ask that we will be closer to other people, but it will not bring us closer to God. So my dear brothers and sisters, whenever we ask, try to examine, will it bring me closer to God, closer to other people, or only closer to myself?